Hey, what's up, guys? It's Craig Syracusa, Walk in Faith. It is September 24th. Yesterday, we had a wonderful day celebrating my wife's birthday. Dana, I love you. Mario loves you as well. State of peace. He will redeem my soul in peace from the battle which is against me. And that's Psalm. When was the last time you experienced deep peace in your heart? How long did that time of tranquility last? Although God promises enduring peace, we may wonder, can I really feel abiding security in my spirit? The Greek word for peace means to bind together something that has been broken or disjointed. This is superb illustrations for how we so often feeling empty and disconnected from each other and God can find a way to unity and wholeness. The Lord's peace comes to us when we are united by faith with Him. The Greek word also refers to a prevailing sense of quietness and rest in a person's heart. Unperpetrated, unruffled. Peace is a synonym with being tranquil, serene, untroubled, and calm. It is a very real state of the soul when you are submersed in the Father's love and presence. Therefore, friends, seek Him and enjoy the security He offers you. Let His peace be the norm in which you live day by day. Precious Lord, thank you for your peace, which overcomes all trouble, binds my soul to you, and leads me to your perfect rest. Amen. In His presence abide in His spirit of peace. So that's an interesting question. I mean, how many of us live day to day in a sense of peace? I know there's certain days and certain times where I feel like, oh, I'm at peace, everything is great. But then the storm comes and then we question, and then all of a sudden we're in this sort of like funk, as we like to say, for a while, and we say, well, I'm not at peace, I'm not at joy, like the seasons of this. The way that I try to stay in peace, I should say, which works, is by building a routine and a relationship. So you know what leads to peace, and you know what also sort of takes you away from peace. For me, personally, if I watch the news in the morning, if I immediately go on social media because of the algorithm, sometimes I'll see things or hear things that really could take me away from, my relationship with Christ, right? I start to look at the world very differently. If I open up the Bible, if I listen to podcasts, for me, it's YouTube podcasts is mostly where I'm really at peace. I listen to different pastors and preachers, and that sets my day. And it sets me in a direction of peace, of happiness, of joy, of fulfillment. And then nothing can really sort of take me away from that. It's building a routine, but the routine is based in Christ, in a relationship with Christ. It's not based on something else, because that will not build or sustain joy and peace. So if you ask yourself that question, why am I not full of peace and joy and happiness? It's because you don't have a strong foundation or a strong relationship with Christ, or you're not starting the day off reading and listening to His Word. Until next time, always remember you have the ability to inspire and evangelize through your words and actions.